Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to edit PDF file in laptop and save the file. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to edit PDF file in laptop and save the file. We will edit the PDF file by using Microsoft Word. Just open the Microsoft Word. After that, click File, then click Open, and then Browse. Now just select the PDF file. Okay, for example, this one. Double click. Okay, now here you can just edit and make the change you want in the file. After that, click File and then click Save As, and here you can select, and here the document you can change the name, and after that here Word document, just click on it and then select PDF. After that, click Save. This is what you need to do if you want to know how to edit PDF file in laptop and save the file. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.